Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video where I am going to use Nexus Vanguard Emulator with internal and no reinstall spoofer. Okay, so we are in the Discord server of Nexus and we can see variety of products like internal all, internal legit, internal slotted, unlock all, external and color bot, and we also have spoofer. Also all the products are undetected and safe to use and the most cheap in the market right now. Also you guys can see instruction of products that you purchased in the support is very active. Now without any further ado, let's get into the gameplay.